Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at something new on CAC, and it is Support Center. Alright, I still remain your friend Fabulous. Okay, so let's get started. For the culture, remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell if you have not subscribed to my channel. If this is your first time to be here, all right, I want to say welcome. Support me, to support you, encourage me to do more. All right, hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get every video that I do. All right, as my subscription is going up, I am committed to doing more videos. There is a lot, to explore in CAC. Okay, so let's get started. All right, we're looking at Support Center. This is actually a new feature. As you can see, this is CAC, website. You can see cac.gov.ng, their web page. All right, this is not the portal. All right, okay, you can see there is an announcement here. All right, there's an announcement here. We are pleased to announce to our esteemed customers that Support Center is now available on the registration portal. All right, and in order to serve you better, we utilize a support ticketing system. Every support request is assigned a unique ticket number which you can track to progress which you can use to track the progress and resolution of the complaint online of your complaint online. Okay, so for your reference, we provide the complete archive and the history of all your support requests. A valid email address is required to submit a support ticket. All right, so this is what I'm going to be showing you, how you can set it up and how you can use it. All right, because a lot of persons are not techie and you might have a little challenge. Okay, it's actually a good news if CAC on their own side make good use of this. If they commit. All right, support is excellent. All right, if they commit to it. Okay, I think it will be much better than the calls that you keep calling and you won't get across to the customer cares. They find it difficult to pick their lines, and also they are always busy on the other call or on call because a lot of persons are calling them. So with this support system, all right, with Support Center, you'll be able to complain, send your complaint or your challenges that you're having. Okay, so let's get started. All right, I'm going to be clicking on this Support Center, which will actually take me to the support portal. All right, I can also open it on another tab if I like. All right, so let me just cancel this and use this one. All right, so you can see this is CAC ticketing system. All right, so this is the web address. You can check it because you must not come to the home page before you can track. You can go there. You can come to crp.appsupport.com.ng. all right, okay, so once you come here, okay, you see this page. You can see this is CAC logo. This is guest user. You can be a guest user, and okay, you can be a registered user. All right, and we have support system home. You can open a new ticket. You can check the status of your query or whatever, or that is status of the support that you are seeking for. Right, you see welcome to the Support Center and all that. All right, so I will recommend that you sign up. Okay, so to sign up on the support, you can click on sign in. All right, so when you click on sign in, you will see if you are not yet registered. I'm already registered, of course. Okay, so if you're not registered, you can click on create an account. All right, so once you click on create an account, it's very fast and easy. There's going to be a verification of your email to make sure that you entered the right email. So what to do is simply to put your email, put your full name, put your phone number. Don't worry about this extension, you can leave it out. Then your time zone, I think Lagos Africa or Africa Lagos is fine. Okay, you can choose one of that here. All right, sometimes if you are using your smartphone, and your location is on, on your smartphone, it can automatically pick this. All right. So you will now put your password, repeat the password, and then click on register. So once you click on register, you will get an email immediately. You will get an email immediately. All right. So once you get that email, you move on to that email and click on, verify. You'll see a link where you'll be directed to click to verify your account. So once you have verified, you can start, sending out support. So I recommend you registering an account so that you can track it, because this guest user, if you are using it, all your inquiries might not be in one place. Okay. So if you're a guest user, you can easily come here and open a ticket. That means you have to be tracking you have to be checking the status of your inquiry, using a number that will be assigned to you. All right. And also, one thing that why I don't recommend guest user is because you might not get mails. You might not get their mails when after you submitted a support ticket. All right. So it's better you sign up. It's better, right? It costs nothing to sign up, so that all the information that you ever seek will be in one place in your account. Okay. So that is it. All right. So I want to log into my own account. I will just click on sign in. All right. You can see that I'm already signed in, so that I will show you something. Show you how it works. All right. So this is the tickets. All right. You can see my name and where I can sign out, and then we have topics, pre-incorporation. So I have one pre-incorporation query. All right. So this is just a test, a test ticket that I just submitted. I actually have no query. All right. Okay, you can see that this is ticket. This is my ticket number. So with this ticket number, you can actually track your support if you're a guest user. All right. So this is the date I created it. The ticket, the status is still open. So they haven't attended to this my inquiry. All right. And this is the topic, the subject of my inquiry. All right. So the department is support. All right. So I have to click on, to show you what I did. I want to click on proprietor's form. All right. So this is what I did. Hello support. I'm expressing difficulty saving proprietor form after correcting a query I got. I will click on save and continue, but it won't go to the next phase. Kindly help me resolve it. It's a technical problem on the side. Okay. I know that it's a technical problem on the side, of course. So when you click on save and continue, these are actually people that said, okay, we're having this challenge on, so I just did this on their behalf. All right. So it's a technical issue. I will click on it. It will save, but it won't go to the. It will just process, but it won't go to the next phase, meaning that it is not saved. So with this information now, they will know that there is a problem somewhere, and they will correct it. So I haven't gotten any reply, and I can also post reply on my own. All right. Now there's something you need to know. I want to walk you through these signs. All right. So if you want to add a screenshot, just like I did on mine, you can see, you might not be a tech person. Okay. If you want to add a screenshot, you can just click on this image. So once you click on this image, it will say upload or choose. Okay. So you click on upload, which will open up your computer, whether your desktop, wherever the file you want to upload is. Okay. You can just choose it. So let me just put this, for example. I'll just click it. You see? So it will be uploaded here. Let me do that again. Okay, it's there right now. It's there right now. All right. So this is the what I just uploaded. Okay, and then you can add text. This is HTML if you want to add code. This is format for if you want to put headings and all that. Okay, and this is text color. You can choose text color. This is your font. You can choose the font type you want. You can bold it. You can choose to write in italic, to underline. You can choose to strike through. You can choose to list, bullet point and all that kind of thing. Okay, you can put a video, and then you can put table. This is for links. You can insert links, and then this is for line if you want to draw line. But all these things are complicated. You don't need it. What you need is just to come here. Let me just say, come here. All right, let's say here. Okay, and type whatever you want to type. Okay, type your problem, add a screenshot. Okay, after that you click on post a reply up or submit query. I don't know if you get. So that is how it works. All right, so let me just say, open a new ticket. Okay, leave. So I want to leave this one and open a new ticket and just show you how it works. Okay, so I will choose topic. It's a help topic. What is the topic? Are you having problem with account creation, with login, with name availability, orders, post incorporation? That is things that you do after you registered your business, or pre-incorporation. That is why you're registering your business. Let's say pre-incorporation for now. Then you click on create ticket. Are you seeing it? Then what is your summary? Okay, you can see whatever the problem is, just put a subject. You can say, for example, let me say from experience, I was saying delayed approval. All right, so then you can come here and start explaining, okay, I did my research on so date, and till date it has not been approved. Kindly help me check it. Okay, all right. You can also attach an image. All right, so that is it. I don't want this video to be longer than 13 minutes. All right, so thank you, bro. Thank you very much for joining me. I believe that you got value and this video is going to be helpful. So not to forget, all right, so when you are done, you can click on create ticket. You can also reset and you can cancel. So in my case, I just want to cancel. All right, then I'll click this. So that is it. All right, so I believe you got value from this tutorial. All right, so now if you have any problem with your registration, you can go to the support. This is the site. All right, take note of it, and then hit create tickets, and they will help you resolve it. I still remain your friend. Please kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get videos from me. Thank you and see you.